Yeah, hello again, everybody. It stopped raining. We're over here looking at the big house here, and he's going to have like 10 cages per side, and that's so yeah, going to be pretty nice. Very, very nice here, and you can see the post. He's right up on the border here of his property, and down to the creek over on that side. So yeah. And again, looking from this side back across where we were standing before, and of course all the rice fields basically down the middle here, and that really nice. Very nice.
And that's perfect one because you use the metal. Ours is wood. You know the termites they eat all.
They told me that
Yep.
it's cheaper than wood. So.
Yeah, it's expensive really because you need to paint.
Yeah, and that's kind of an island there in the middle, and that. But now that you can see the sun coming out, and it looks like Brian's coming over here too, and that. So yeah. We'll see here, and he's got his coffee trees planted here. So this will kind of give you an idea of how somebody else goes about it, and of course they generally follow the relatives in the family that have done this before and have built these things before, kind of following the culture that's already here instead of varying from it. So yeah, very good. And that they're really going to have an excellent farm out here. It will be definitely a paradise, a particular paradise here. Oh, like we all have. You know, and each one of us foreigners are doing something a little bit different and a little bit separated by kilometers here, and all kind of doing our own thing, and that's really fine and dandy. And that it gives us something to talk about when we're together, because we're all looking at this from different angles, all doing our own little thing. And because the families of each one of them have come from a different part of the Philippines, they bring that culture with them. And that's just more or less the way it goes here. Very nice. And you can see the fence line over there. Yeah. He's something he can really be proud of down the line here. So
you're planning on how much you're going to give me out of your lottery winnings? Is that what you're planning?
Yeah. Hi, Brian.
How's it going?
Pretty good. And Maricel here. Yeah. Very good.
Only the queen does it like this.
Very good. So it's kind of like everybody's here right now. But I'm going to kind of circle once more here to show you the property. Take it kind of slow here. I think up on the hill over here he's going to put a chicken house across the way there, and that. And then all the rice fields, and then his house, and a house for part of the family that's moving here in order to take care of the property. Will be over on the other side there. It will it's definitely going to be a family affair. So yeah, congratulations to Steve and Imee. It looks like a really nice place, and something to be very proud of, as Beth and I are of our place up at in Burgos, and that all of us doing our own thing in our own particular way, thriving and adjusting to the culture here and being part of the Philippine culture. So I'm going to let everybody go. Probably be back with you shortly again. And that I always Oh, he's coming back shortly. Oh boy, this YouTube thing has definitely grabbed a hold of me. There's no question about that. And I've been working more at it than I have been of the farm, and thank heavens we're caught up with most everything on the farm and that, so I can devote the time and effort that I need to make this YouTube channel work and to provide the people with my knowledge, my understanding, so that they can kind of judge from there, learn something from me hopefully. If you're interested in moving here and that, and finding your own Filipina bride and that, I just say come on ahead. It's a beautiful place to live. The culture is different. It's kind of you'll run into a bit of culture shock, but in the long run, it's just another chunk of paradise here. So again, I'm going to say goodbye, and we'll talk to you again.